Okay, hello. Welcome to the Z2A Gamer channel. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. Today I'm gonna play some Roblox again, but it's a different game. It's called Farm Life. And we have a special guest here today that's going to appear in most of my videos now. So it's this one, Farm Life House.
Hello!
Yeah, so if you heard that was my little sister. Her name is Greta. She's going to be in my videos from now on, unless she doesn't want to be in a video. Okay, so let's just get in right here into the game. So, wait, let me move that there. So, basically, in farm life, you have to plant seeds, and then you have this watering can to water the seeds, and that makes it so the seeds grow, and then you can harvest them, and then right here in this little bucket thing you can sell them. And then they have like 3 different degrees. Like, look, that one's a gold star, that one's a regular. So I got 3 gold stars, 2 regulars, and 3 regulars. So cool. So yeah, and then you can use your money to go here and buy more of the wheat seeds. Okay, so I have 17. Yeah, this is my sister Greta. Hi. So yeah, we're gonna go plant our seeds. Greta, you should go back to your farm now.
Okay. We are
Yeah,
right
I
next
can't click
to
this.
each other.
Yeah.
I'm gonna swim in your pond for a second.
Bruh.
It's the pool.
Okay, wait. Okay. I can't click that. Okay. I can't. Okay. Let's just go clicking crazy. So now I can water them. That one, get this one. Oh no. Now I'm out of water. So now I have to go over here to the pond. Then I can click it, and then I refill my watering can. So yeah, we're gonna play this for like 20 minutes. And then we're gonna record another video that you'll have to see when it releases. So yeah. And whoa, it's raining now. So that means our whole farm is going to get a bunch of water on it, so then we don't have to use this watering can for now. So that was great because now I can collect all this wheat. So far we didn't get a single gold star. Wait, there's more. No. Please be a gold star. We got 16 regular, but we did get...
I got a silver star.
Same. But we did get a quality wheat, which does kind of make up for it. So I'm going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's just get like 20 of these. No, 18. 18 will be good. I'm going to save my money. Let's see if I can buy anything. Oh my god, a small egg is 1K. That's insane. Ooh, I can get the bamboo rod. So
I'm gonna try and save up for a small egg.
So what the bamboo rod does is basically it's a fishing pole. If you see it right here, it's a fishing rod.
Why did I say it's fish?
Yeah. So we can go after we're done planting these wheat seeds. I can go over to the pond again, and then I can 100 coins. So after I get all these wheat seeds planted, then I can go over here. Wait. And use my fishing rod, and then I can click the pond with my fishing rod, and then I'll start fishing. So, ooh, I got a catfish, and now I can sell this catfish over here. So yeah, I am going to fish for a little bit, and then
Actually, I'm gonna fish at your area.
Okay, so me and Greta are gonna fish for a little bit, and we'll see you when we get back. Okay, guys, we have gone fishing for a little bit, and look at all the amazing fish and squid and clam we caught.
Hey, you
and
got what?
Yeah, and also I got this rare blue crab. So let's go sell all this and see how much it's worth.
Clam.
I did say a clam and a squid.
I think I'm able to sell at your place.
So yeah, let's sell all of this, and then let's see how much we got. Whoa!
So much.
I'm at 474, and Greta's at 464. So let's collect all the wheat.
Oh wait.
All the wheat.
I'm gonna get a bunch of wheat.
So then I'm going to sell all this wheat, and then I can sell that wheat, and then I can go to the store, and then let's buy onion seeds. So let's get like 12 of these. And no, let's get 11 of these and 1 wheat seed, so then I can afford the wooden axe. So let's do that. Perfect. So now let's plant our onion seeds.
I got 39 wheat seeds, 8 carrots, and 8 onions.
Whoa.
Don't know why I get so much wheat.
And then let's plant this other onion seed. And then I'll just wait until these are done. See you guys in a little bit when they're finished and fully grown. Bye. Okay, so guys, we're back. And I don't know what happened to the onions.
They don't grow very quickly.
No, they're literally not there. Oh. What the heck? Where did you guys come from? They're coming back. They were invisible before. So let's start collecting all these. Ooh, we got a gold star.
I'm pretty sure I went a little overboard with the wheat.
How much wheat did you get again?
39.
I think you went a little overboard. But, so yeah, we're gonna sell all this, and now I have 380 coins. Let's get a corn seed, because these are renewable, so I don't have to keep buying more of these seeds. I just have to water it. So let's put it right here. And then then also with my new wooden axe, I'm going to go chop down some trees. Stop. Okay. No.
harvesting all of my leaves.
So from these trees, look, I'm getting wood. And then I can sell this wood at the sell thing at my farm.
Out of all of my 30-something wheat packs, I've only gotten 6 silver star wheat.
Wow. So let's just keep chopping down this wood. So then we can just have a bunch of wood and then sell it. Okay. So I'm going to collect some wood for a little bit and see you guys when I'm done. So guys, while I was gone, I was collecting a bunch of wood and I stumbled across this weird structure. So this is the lumberjack elder and he wants 50 wood. I'll test it out. It says wood sacrificed. Wow. So let's just
very unpleasant.
Yeah, so let's just give him 50 wood. And I received 3 pumpkin seeds. Let me check out these pumpkin seeds. They're slow growth, but they are 250 each. And now the next quest is to give him 100 pieces of wood.
I can do that.
Yeah, I'll do that. So I'm gonna collect this wood. It won't take that long, so let's just collect it up. Yay, cool. And also,
I need more money for wheat.
Yeah, and also while Greta and I were gone, while I was collecting wood, she opened a small egg for 1,000 coins and got a
chicken named Tofu.
Yeah. So that's really cool. So, and with farm animals in this game, they lay you like special things that they lay in real life, or
and
like like not really lay, except for like the chicken and the egg.
Yeah, but like
and the
some animals
duck.
Like lose the toe.
Yeah.
Poop.
So let's just do this. Sacrifice all 100 pieces of wood.
You actually got 100 pieces of wood.
Yeah.
That fast.
So I have received 750 gold. That's a lot of gold. So I'm going to teleport home, and then I'm going to plant these pumpkin seeds around the corn. Ooh, I got a gold star corn on the first try. Yay. So let's plant that. So now I'm just going to wait for my pumpkins to grow. And the thing about renewable crops is when you grow them fully again, they don't go down all the way back to seedlings like they would with the pumpkins, since they're not renewable. And if you plant them again in the exact same spot, they actually they go back to the process when they're actually making the fruit or vegetable. They go back to the process when the fruit or vegetable is just starting to grow. And that's what we see right here. And then look, it doesn't have the corn growing, and then when I water it again, it's going to start growing the corn again. So really cool, because you don't have to restart with the tree, with the whole plant again. So yeah. So I'm going to get some more fish from fishing, obviously. And then I'm going to save up for 1,000 coins so I can get my own small egg. And then after that, I think we're going to stop. Okay? So let's sell these and that. Let's see if the pumpkins are done yet.
Okay, I got a bunch of fish.
Ooh, that pumpkin is done. How much does it sell for? Oh my. The pumpkins sell for a lot. So, whoa. I'm almost at 2K. So, let's buy our small egg. What will we get? What will we get? Ooh, we got a ducky. Common duck. What's your name? What's your name, ducky? Hilton. Okay, guys. So I think that's where we're going to end the video on farm life today. Hope you enjoyed it, and bye.
Before I stop playing, I want to fill up